My name is Jacqueline Bhabha and I teach at Harvard University. I'm a professor of the practice of health and human rights. Throughout the course, you'll be hearing from policymakers, from United Nations representatives, from a range of activists, academics, and those working in the non-profit sector. The course will begin with an introduction to the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, to the definition of child protection, and to key child protection issues facing children today.
Child protection should foster a healthy, enabling and supportive environment.
Protecting children from all forms of violence, all forms of abuse and exploitation.
Sexual exploitation, child trafficking, child labor, and harmful traditional practices such as female genital mutilation and child marriages.
Based in a legal and institutional framework, which is based on a culture of respect for children's rights, where child participation is a core element.
To put myself in the place of a child and what it means for a child to feel valued.
We will then examine the causes and the impact of violence on children and explore efforts to address and prevent violence against children.
To prevent any kind of abuse against children, and secondly, to respond to existing cases.
The third section of the course examines the relationship between children and the law, with a focus on children who are particularly marginalized and who require additional protection. In the final section, we introduce the importance of a systems approach to child protection. We draw on prior sections to convey the components of this integrated child protection system. We hope that you'll learn key skills in designing programs and interventions for children, how to implement a child's rights approach, and effective tools and strategies to improve systems that address children.